Do you feel the vibes?
Hey guys, what is up? It is Ice Eagle, and today I'll be showing you my very own mugen game. You may be asking, how did you make your own mugen game? Well, I'll teach you that in the next episode. But first, I want to review my game. This game is currently not for download because, I don't know how to put it on a website and make it downloadable. That's the word. So here's my characters. I wanted to mash up a bunch of characters. I wanted to put Marvel, Dragon Ball, mainly Goku and Vegeta, DC, Sonic and Mario and Undertale, and extra characters. One day I might replace Darth Vader. Anyways, I'm going to be doing a gameplay with two of my favorite characters, actually. Oh, and then in case you're wondering, Dr. Manhattan cannot die. But here are the controls. F3 is to get your bars all to maximum. F2, I don't know. F1 is to kill yourself. Critical F1 is or CTRL. I like to call it critical. F1 kills yourself. Oh yeah, and 2 puts both of you and your enemy's health low. Anyways, let's get right into the gameplay. I'm gonna play. Oh, yeah, you know Hakai. He could do Hakai. Anyways, I'll be doing a simul for each row. So I'm gonna play as Wolverine, other person, Ghost Rider. What the hell? Oh shoot, hold on.
This time I won't lose.
You will pay for the suffering.
Let's do this.
Take on my cool beam, no one can kill him in this game. Unless you... Well, that's a shame. The game crashed on me. Bruh. This might be a boring video on my channel.
You will pay for the suffering you have brought on us.
Fight.
Hey, Johnny Waste and Danny Catch.
Eat this.
I've never done that move before. I wonder how they do it. And I also wonder how you do that. Some moves I don't know how to do in this game. Wolverine's one of the most brutal characters. Watch, when he grabs onto Punisher, he's about to get punished. Look. Oh damn, Ghost Rider, what the hell is wrong with you? Well, I don't know why Ghost Rider I don't know why Ghost Rider is acting so harsh. Anyways, that's one round done with the Marvel, with two of my favorite Marvel characters. Let's move on to the DC ones. So I'm only showing 2 from each, and actually I want to move on to. Oh, I'm only gonna do 2 for on my opinion, the weak ones, and in case there are any strong ones. Well, I know I didn't pick Galactus, but since Goku is one of my favorites on Dragon Ball, and this one is OP, I'm gonna choose him versus 2 people. Okay, he's doing it on Ryu. And he just did it. I clicked F1 because Zenbio on Squad is just too boring. In fact, let's do another round. I swear to God, if this is a long video, then you might want to skip.
I'll show you the power of the I'll show you the power of the anything you've ever seen.
This game is only laggy because I'm recording. Hit me. And I'm just so successful to that. As I'm a Marvel fan. Huh. That is a glitch. I never clicked that button and he still died. Well, that's around to show how OP Goku is. Ultra Instinct. Let's move on. I'm gonna do, let me do turns. Batman, Sonic, one of the most OP characters. Saitama, well, oh, little heads up. It's when Scorpion dies in this game, sometimes he'll have an animation where he kills you too, but you still win. Saitama. Oh, Naruto, Ichigo Possessed, MD Luffy, or Vader. You guys should oh, and Ryu, and the others. I'm pretty sure you guys should check that out for yourselves. Oh wait, this is not for download. Well, who cares anyways? Saitama's too OP. Let's go with... Let's get him. Wait, you guys already seen Batman. Cause I just killed him with Goku. I'll do Flash. Verse Mario. Why he's sticking out. One of the best maps I have. Very laggy. Well, I'm just trying to do my move. Bruh.
And take this!
Alright, I think this is it. Alright, this is it. This is one of my favorite ultimate moves in my game. this part right here is the best. That's it. I'm pretty sure with Cyborg or Green Lantern, one of the Blue Lantern appears and shoots the other person. And with Thor, you know what? Never mind. Too OP to be true. Sans is too OP to be true. Not this thinking, Sans. Sans could die, for example. If you do one of his, like, see, Sonic's attacking, so, but if you see that blue thing, understand, that's how much you can dodge for it. If that blue thing wears out, he dies. But if you do one of his taunts and you kill him, right, this is his training mode, Sans would die by one hand. Or if you do one of the most useless thing ever, never mind. There's a chance of hitting him though. It's me, yes, Sonic. That's One Punch Man, because One Punch Man is really cool. Hey, hold on. That's why you turn into Dark Sonic. Super Sonic. That's like your Sonic. Yeah. Oh, guys, look at this. If you do Sonic the Shadow, they'll have like a dialogue thingy, like have a conversation. If you put Sonic with anyone else, he wouldn't do any. He wouldn't speak to them. He just said say a random quote. Especially if you do Super Sonic and Super Shadow. That is it for this video, actually. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope I didn't waste your time. And by the way, I know how to make custom thumbnails now. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Ice Eagle, out.